Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Instagram experience and stop those reminder notifications from popping up while you're using Instagram on your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable notifications for reminders on Instagram using the latest update, all from your browser. Let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons there, but what you want to do is click on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can access all your settings. Next, look for the notifications option in the menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to managing all your Instagram notifications. Here, you'll see different categories, but what we're interested in is push notifications. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll find a list of all the types of push notifications Instagram can send you. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Reminders. These are the notifications that Instagram sends to remind you about things like posts, stories, or other activities you might have missed. To disable these, simply choose the off option next to Reminders. Once you do this, Instagram will stop sending you those reminder notifications to your PC, making your browsing experience a lot quieter and more focused. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your notifications and made sure that only the alerts you care about will reach you. If you ever want to turn reminders back on, just follow these same steps and switch them back to on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.